Yo, what's good everybody? I'm back with another video, and this one just going to be pretty much showing the new Haltech iC7 I got for my car. I know you've probably seen it in some other videos, but there's not too many videos out there showing it in the IS300 and what exactly you need to get the full function of the display. So as you can see here, this is the main screen when you turn the car on. Excuse me, let me pull the windows off for the glare. It might be a little difficult to see, but you can obviously adjust all these to your liking, whatever you want. So like manifold pressure, coolant temp, air temp, blah blah blah. And now this is where things get a little not tricky, but complicated somewhat. Well, maybe more expensive than you thought, in other words, because then now you have to get this GPS module that's right here. I'll put a picture right now of what it looks like with the part number. You have to get that if you want the odometer to work, to have it keep going up and for it to show what gear you're in and the speed and whatnot. But if you don't have it, it'll still do the RPM, but you just won't have really any of this, the speed, the mileage, and yeah, any of that. So, and got the Mako Motorsports display mount, which as you can see fits perfect. You also need another part that I don't have yet to get the gas gauge to work, is fuel level sender. Put a picture of that right here. So you need the fuel level sender and the GPS speed sensor. That's at least if you're running a Haltech like me. So yeah. And now let's move over to the glove box where I have the Haltech and stuff put in. Haltech is in here, and then this is what the actual GPS speed module is. So I have that tucked away in there. I gotta fix the glove box still, but yeah, that's in there, hidden away. So yeah, that's there, and you want to make sure you have it in like the best position possible, because I guess it goes off of satellites and whatnot according to the speed. So yeah, and I still got the gauges. This is off right now. The air fuel, I gotta get that fixed, wired in right. Boost, oil pressure. I was gonna get rid of it, but I'll keep it. It's good to see those just three right there. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need, is the three things: the display, the GPS speed module, and the fuel level sender. So yeah, they don't really tell you that when you buy it, because I mean obviously it's like a universal display, so no shade to Haltech or whatever, but yeah, you want those extra things when you hook up your display. Screens, you can obviously just plug in the laptop and adjust it to how you like. This is one of my favorite ones. And then this screen, excuse me, this is the only one that has it right there, but you can add it onto the first one. This one's pretty cool, it's not bad. This one's just way too much. And yeah, that's the home. So you also could get some more sensors. They have like a Haltech sensor pack, like a cooling, oil, and like trans temp, I'm pretty sure. There is just a little delay. I'll show you on this screen, because it's working off the stock computer and I have the module. But it's not bad, you get used to it, and it's definitely worth it. So the wideband isn't hooked up to this, and it's not wired in right, so that's why it's saying that. And you can set it to the engine over rev RPM. I don't know why the shift light isn't working, but only the over rev RPM works, and you just press it or hold it to do that. Yeah, anyways, it's gonna wrap it up. Just a quick, simple video showing off the iC7. You know, there's not a lot out there on YouTube, like I just said in the beginning. So yeah, I figured I'd make a video, and why not? It's pretty cool. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it if you're going full out for the car. So yeah, any questions or anything, please, more than welcome to comment below. Yeah, if you like the video, please just hit the like button and subscribe. And yeah, just stay tuned. I got a bunch of videos coming non-stop for months, so definitely want to subscribe. And as you can see the air temp rising because I'm sitting, obviously. So it's good to have something like this, at least a Haltech or some type of digital dash if you're going full out, especially like with a built engine like I'm doing. It's worth it, so you can see, you know, what's exactly going on with the car. That's why I got it. So yeah, and honestly, in my opinion, it makes me shift better. I don't know if it's like the placebo effect or what, but I got used to the 6-speed CD gearbox a lot more because I was kind of, not gonna lie, having trouble getting in the 5th. So yeah, but that'll be the end of the video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.